Omo, this is nothing but chocolate and caramel. Ooh-wee. Hi guys, if you want to know how I created this caramel skin like butter look, then this video is for you. Get your popcorn ready and let's get into it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm begging you go and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And for my returning subscribers, my odogus, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much and God bless you. Please, if you are watching this video, please try to watch to the end. Please try and watch to the end. I have a lot of things to teach you in this video, a lot of things. Like this particular video will change your makeup games. This particular video will take your makeup games to another level. So please try and watch to the end. Leave a comment in the comment section, like, and please share to your friends. Thank you. Alright, this particular video started with foundation application, and one thing about my foundation application is that I love to get the skin tone of the person I'm working with. Like, it helps very well. Once you get the skin tone, every other thing is jara. So just try as much as possible to get the skin tone of the person you're working with. Okay, so after doing that, make sure you blend properly before you proceed to the concealing or highlighting the person's face. Make sure you blend your foundation properly to avoid breaking. I made a video on how I did the skin prep. Please, I will leave the link on my description box. Please make sure you click on the link and watch the video and tell me what you think about the skin prep at the comment section. After the foundation application, I highlight the under eye and the T-zones. One thing about my highlight is that it is a lightweight concealer. I air dry first before blending. Yes, I air dry with my electric fan before blending. Okay, I don't just blend immediately. I air dry it first before blending it. Then we move into the blush section. Like, I use a lipstick. If you notice, I use a lipstick, the two colors, the red and the pink. Yes, that's the Becharm product that I use for the lipstick, for the blush. So I want the blush to pop as usual, so I use my lipstick to make it pronounced. Yeah, after applying the lipstick, your blush, yes, please blend the two colors well. Blend properly. I beg, let your second name be blended when it comes to makeup. Blend properly. Don't leave harsh lines for anybody. Don't make it to be obvious that you use a red and a pink lipstick as a blush. So please blend properly. Blend into the foundation. Blend the blush into the foundation. Then after that, you contour the face. There is no makeup without contour. So you contour the face with a darker shade of the person tone. Skin tone. After contouring the face, I went back to continue what I stopped at the highlighting zone. First, I blend the concealer in. After blending the concealer, please don't forget to move in with your pressed powder first before the setting powder. Please don't forget that. I repeat, move in with your pressed powder before the setting powder. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to know whenever I posted a new video. Please drop a comment and don't leave this video without finishing the video. Make sure you watch to the end of this video. Like I said earlier, this video will change your makeup games. Yeah, after watching this video, your makeup games will change entirely. So don't forget to watch to the end. This particular shoot lasted for 9 to 10 hours. 9 to 10 hours. Yes. Because the model is my best friend. So you know now when your bestie comes around, it's gist upon gist. So we gisted throughout the session. And it was fun, we created enough content, we did a lot of challenges, all this TikTok stuff, and the gist was the one that delayed everything. Okay, it's time to bake the face. I bake my face with certain powder. So after baking, then you move into the eyebrows. You tame your eyebrows first, then press in with your fingernails, then apply setting powder, then bring your pencil to draw. That's how to set your eyebrows before drawing. Make sure your pencil is very sharp, like very sharp, like the mouth is very pointed before drawing, because it will give you that straight line and easy to draw. After drawing your eyebrows, you define the eyebrows with a concealer. You use a concealer. I normally use concealer for the down parts, then the foundation to define the upper parts. Okay, I use a lighter shade of the concealer to define the down part of the eyebrow, then the person foundation shade to define the upper parts. Then I'll blend in. Please, while doing this, be careful and keep your hands straight. Whenever you're defining your eyebrow, please keep your hands straight. Sorry, please don't shake. Keep it straight and draw. Be confident on yourself that you can draw it. It is your own eyebrow, so you own it. So draw it like the artist you are. Okay. After doing the eyebrows, we'll move to the eyeshadow. The eye games is something else that I love so much, because that particular region define your makeup. Yes, that's the only way to know whether the makeup is heavy or is a lightweight. For me, your eyeshadows and your lipstick is the only part to know whether the makeup is heavy or not. I used the darker shade of the eyeshadow, the darker one, the brown. I mixed the brown and the black to set my eyeshadow base. After doing that, I went in with this wine red and shimmer. I mixed wine red and gold shimmer. Yes. After applying, I did not use eyeshadow primer for this, so I didn't use eyeshadow primer because my my eyeshadow palette pops very well. So I just saw that there was no need using eyeshadow primer because the eyeshadow is already popping out already. So I just went in with my eyeshadow. I didn't use any primer. Okay, then the eyeliner. Oh god, this eyeliner part, if your client or your model tears up, yeah, you regret seeing that makeup, honestly. Well, thank god she's a calm person, she's used to the game, so she didn't feel it at all. Then after doing the eyeliner, then I use my mascara to brush the lashes, because I've already fixed the first lash. Then I use the mascara to brush her natural lash together with the first lash to look together, to look real. At this point I made a mistake, so I used my setting powder to correct that mistake, then brush out my brushes. After then I set the face with my setting spray, then allow it to dry you, then I move to the lip, and after then here comes the magic. Oh my goodness, like I said earlier, this look is nothing but chocolate and caramel. Ooh, the person that sang this song knew what he sang. Oh my god, how do you say it? You love it? Tell me one thing you love about the look in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.